just onions? Ooh. Man, this guy.
Excuse me. This cheeseburger does not smell right.
It doesn't what?
It doesn't smell right.
So like a cheeseburger no huele bien.
Do you smell that?
Yeah, you smell it, right?
Well, it's coming towards me on bro, it is. What the fuck?
Ragazzi, miglior rapper in Italia.
Rondo. Mambolosco.
Miglior rapper al mondo invece.
Pop Smoke, boy. Pop Smoke. Snoop Dogg.
Ok,